Sauna, Purification, and Detox. So, your skin is the largest organ in your whole body. And when we have regular saunas, we can detoxify whatever's happening within our body very, very quickly. And the biggest benefit of either doing saunas or detox baths is that we don't have to deal with the gut. So we're not putting any supplements, or we're not putting fruit in our mouth, and we're not having to digest it. So when we're doing this with saunas and baths, it's instant, it's straight away, it's straight to the point, because the skin just soaks it up straight away. So sauna, if it's an infrared sauna, it's even better, because you're going to be getting all of that good far infrared light, which really helps with circulation. And another thing to always remember is to always hydrate before and after, because you're losing a lot of fluid. It's really important. And I love also using, again, lavender or eucalyptus oil in my sauna. And if you don't have a sauna, using a hot bath is just as good, if not better sometimes. I love to do it as well. And an easy and simple way to do it is fill your bath up with really hot water, obviously. Then put in some magnesium flakes, put in some baking soda, and put in some bentonite clay. And so each of those you do about, I think you do about 2 tablespoons of magnesium flakes, tablespoon of baking soda, and tablespoon of bentonite clay. And this will detox and draw out anything out of your body in 20 minutes time of just soaking. All right, guys, have a great day and be well always.